Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this fun little, to use a firecracker. Well, you can use either those moon travelers, which are so fun, or you can use the whistlers. My favorite's the whistlers. They come in a 12-pack. You can buy a whole box for I think $3, and they're $144, which makes this kind of fun. But basically, you rip that off and you open them up, set them aside. You're going to need 12 of them, in other words. One sheet of paper, some small tape, or some long tape. And a marker if you want to color it, or write whatever you want to call it. But this is what you do basically. Take each one of these and break the little tape that holds the fuse on. Take it off, just like that. Do that for every single one. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to make this fun little, well, I haven't actually given a name, but it sounds really cool. It's basically 12 Whistler moon travelers, and you just take them off and keep this piece. Still got the fuse and everything in there, it whistles when you light it. Well, okay. The things you're going to need: regular plain piece of paper, some wide 1/2, 2 inch Scotch tape, or regular tape. It works good. Regular tape does too. 12 moon travelers, the whistlers, or moon travelers. I'm going to show you how to make one of those too. But it just sounds really cool. But you need a pair of scissors and a glue gun. Sure, it's hot, so watch out. Alright. First step, really, after you take off all the paper and everything for that, just fold this in half this direction. This paper actually makes it a little louder. Take it like that, fold it again. Try to make it as straight as possible if you can. Just like that. Because what you're going to do is you're going to have one, and then roll it over one, give it enough room. You're going to put one here, and just keep lining them up with your hot glue gun. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, time for some moon travelers. They come in a package of 12. That's good. Take it off. Now just take each individual one off. All you need is the actual firecracker part for this. This sounds really cool. Just something fun to do. I mean, I'm not too big on firecrackers. I just like making crazy stuff with them. I know it's really dangerous, but just be careful when you do it. Take them off just like that. You got 12 of them right there. You're going to need a piece of paper for that one also. Fold it just like you did for the Whistler one. Fold it like that. Fold it again. Different part is, I'll fold it in half, like that. See? So you're going to cut this. I can't cut the straightest line, but anyway, you're going to cut it in half just like that. Alright. My glue gun's heated up finally. Remember, just be careful, it's hot. So you're probably commenting on my stupidity here for setting it on my leg, but yeah, I have glued it to my leg before. You want to just take it and glue one piece here. Or what I told you about the leave one gap there. You can see that. I'll just get one started. I'll make one line here, one line there, one line there. I just start stacking them in there real fast. Try to make them even. You don't have to make them real even, but even enough, you know. Try to get them before the glue dries. Get about 5 of them on there or so. And then just glue straight down here. This just holds them together a little better. Okay. And then make some more glue here. Put some more of your. You're going to use 12 of them on this, so remember that. Okay. Got a few more there. Okay.